So, سلااف گەلی هەڤاڵان ئیرۆم دخوازن لەسەر پیشە mesleg anji kar باخەون. Hello everyone, today we will be talking about jobs, simple enough, jobs. So you can say job, those all means job. Also we could say department, profession too for those. I mean when you want to understand the meaning, profession and also department means those things. Okay, but before start I want to say something. I hope you will like my window. I think it's more clear. It's generally my own idea to give shape like this and put picture like this. I hope you will like it. If you are, then you can say that, or if you want me to change something, it will be much better, and I will do that. I will definitely listen you. And before start also I want to say something else. If you are making tutorials, if you have plan like that and you want me to make some program for you, just tell me in the comments. I'll be doing that for you. But let's start to this course. Okay. Tu çi karî dikî? Tu çi karî dikî? Dikî. Kar, job. Dikî, what is your job? Is doing actually. What is your job? Tu çi karî dikî? Çi, what? Tu çi karî dikî? So that's the way we ask. Tu çi karî dikî? Tu, you, çi, what, kar, job, dikî, do. Tu çi karî dikî? What's your job? We ask like this. Tu çi karî dikî? Okay, let me write for others also, like tu çi karî dikî? Ez çi karî dikim. Of course this will be a question. And ez çi karî dikim? Ew çi karî dikin? Ew çi karî dike? Em çi karî dikin? Çi karî dikin? Hûn çi karî dikin? Hûn çi karî dikin? And ew çi karî dikin? Dema ku tu dibîne dikin li hatiye nivîsîn, dikin, karî dikin, bi vîya wayî dikin an jî in hatiye nivîsîn, werbizanibe ku ev ji bo gelek kesan e. Vê demê em, yani em kesên pir, em pênc an jî şeş mirov in, em, hûn kesên pir, çar, pênc merîne, ew kesên pir. Okay, what I said is, if you see the kun in end of the kirin, which is in simple present tense, kirin, and we put the in front of the word, so simply k is a stem of our word in present tense. If you don't know about this, then don't care about this, simply say the kun. So what I say is this is for plural and those are for singular. So for example in here and those are, everything is same. I mean you cannot understand this unless you don't read this. This makes the main difference. Everything is same as you see in here. So this is plural and this is what? This is singular. By the way, tu means you. I don't know if I have to write it or not. And this one means as, mean I. It is stupid to ask what I am doing, right? Because I know what I am doing, but I am asking you what am I doing. Okay, it wasn't stupid. Ev, she, he, or it. Okay, she, he, it. And am, we. It is me. It means, okay, am, it means we, because I said it is plural, so it means we. Oops. Okay, it means we. Hun çi karî dikin means you, but you are many people, plural one. And ev, it is they. Okay, So let's continue. God, we have to be fast. Të bëçim mëjuli. Also mëjul means what are you busy with? Okay. Mëjul means what are you busy with? Të bëçim mëjuli. Okay. So even I think that's much better to make practice by detail, right? I think when you are teaching language, you have to do many by detail. You have to write more. That's what I have learned from one teacher while learning English on YouTube, and he was writing always. Maybe I will put his video on the description. If you are learning English, that's a good way. Okay, I will. That's why, like, if I am also encouraged by him, I will say, let's write this for everyone, for all persons. All person, okay. Të bëçim mëjuli. It says të bëçim mëjuli as bëçë mëjulëm. Mëjulëm. As bëçim mëjulëm. As bëçim mëjulëm. As bëçim mëjulëm. What am I busy with? What am I busy with? Mëjulëm. Mëjulëm. So from this mëjul, from this I can understand it is I. It is I am saying that. It looks like one song. أو بچه مجولة. مجولة. مجول. Sure. So you see مجول, and also here مجول and مجول, and here we have A. It means this is for singular one. Which is she, it. Em بچه مجولن. بچه مجولن. Em بچه مجولن. So from here you can understand this is just plural one, and I think this will always be same. Let's see. Hun بچه مجولن. مجولن. Okay, you see they are same. Hun بچه مجولن. او بچه مجولن. بچه مجول. Oops. مجولن. او بچه مجولن. What are they busy with? Okay, let's continue. I think I am really slow. I have to be so much fast. Okay, but after this I have only words of jobs. That's why I will be fast in there. او چی کاری دیگه? What is his job? او چی کاری دیگه? What is her job? His job. So as you can realize, I am not saying something else when I am trying to say her, his. This is also her, his, right? Yeah, this is also her, his. But I said ev çe kari dige. But I want to confuse your mind maybe, or I shouldn't be doing that. No, never mind. I will not do that. This is a good way to say. I want to say something actually. I will say. Anyway, okay. Ev çe kari dige. Let's not think about this now. Okay, what I wanted to say was this. Ev çe kari dige. I was thinking like, okay, we put subject in here. Ev çe kari dige. But isn't that possible? Also ayaklastık. Kari ve çiye. 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 Kari ve çiye. Kari ve çiye. I think this is not wrong. But what is the problem is kari ve çiye. Ev çe kari dige. I think like this is not good way to say that. Kari ve çiye, ev çe kari dige. So generally, which one we use? Kari ve çiye. Kari ve çiye. Ev çe kari dige. Kari ve çiye. So as we say, like if the order of words are like this, solve, I think in Kurdish it is solve. Yes. subject, object, and verb. So it is like this, and if we want to obey to this rule, we have to use the first one. But also we don't obey, we can use the second one, but okay, this is more right one. Grammarly, I think this is as grammar, this is much better one. Kari ve çiye. Kari ve çiye. That's it. Kari ve çiye. And let's continue maybe. Yes, let's continue. No, I will write for rest. Ev çi kari dike. Tu çi kari dike. Çi kari. Kari dike. Okay, let's be a little bit clever. And I will just simply copy paste them. Okay, I think this is much better. Okay, this is I. When I say I, what I say? As çıkar. I as it means as çıkardıkım. As çıkardıkım. Tu çıkardıki dike. Tu çıkardıke. Ev çıkardıke. Em çıkardıkın. So you see what I am changing. Hun çıkardıkın. You see this is still same. And ev çıkardıkın. So you see, I copied paste all of them and I simply changed the subject, and then I just put this an end of this. I think I repeated this, huh? It wasn't necessary. Bavete çıkardıke. Okay. What is wrong with my mouse? Okay. Bavete çıkardıke. Bavete çıkardıke. Bavete is the subject, right? Bavete çıkardıke. What is your father's job? Bavete çıkardıke. Okay, let's do this for rest too. And as you know, in the Kurdish there are two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and in the Kurdish there are two pronouns which are like this: as de, but this is de. De also means yours, right? Your father. What's your father's job? And we use this for different places. Also, we use this like in the meaning of your. For example, bavete means your father. But when I say bavete, I don't say bavetu. I say bavete. So in the previous example, when I gave the example, I was also thinking about this. And for example, I said evçi karidike. I didn't say what is. For example, in here I am saying what is her or his job. I'm saying this. So just don't try to simply convert this, because when you try to get his, her from this, you will confuse. So you will confuse. You shouldn't be translating these directly. And when you do that, you can look this one, and you can write this in the other way I said. But generally, this way is used for grammar, and maybe the other way is also used. I am not sure about that. So this is basically it. If you want to use as solve, then you have to obey this. But in Kurdish also there is something. Let me write this. Like I said, as, do, ev, em, hun, and ev. So in Kurdish we have this one. Also we have as, man, do, de, ev, we, or we, no, not we, only we, okay, we for female, and we for boy, male. Okay, and m, so m will be still, it will be m is m still. Okay, me, m is me, and hun, you. Okay, what was it? what it will be. Hun. I think this is where, yeah. Okay, this is where, hun, where. Hun, where. This is where. And this is one. Wana. Wana. Yeah. So, look, don't confuse this with this one. This doesn't mean her, his. But in the feature words, we will see it is used for this. I really confused your mind, right? If I did, I think you will like. Okay, that's what only thing you know. Know that only we have two kind of plural pronouns. That's just know about this, and simply know about those. So simply know about the first one. Try to use first one, and sometimes when you see these, don't confuse. So just know it. This is a difference. And or don't pay more attention to this. By time you will be learning, it's okay. So pavete chikaridika. For example, in here I say pavete chikaridika. When I say that, I will write this. Pave men chikaridika. Chikaridika. Like okay, like pave men chikaridika. This is my father. What is my father's job? It says pave men chikaridika. For example, here I cannot use as in here. It above it as chekaridika. It will be not right. It's not right. You shouldn't be using like that. But baviamen chekaridika. When you ask like that, you ask what's my father's job. So as I said, it doesn't mean these directly. I mean when you say this is the second line, it doesn't mean your, but it also means when you're using like this. So baviamen chekaridika. And bave meant chekaridika. Bave we, so bave we means girl, and bave I mean her father. Bave we means for it, for she, for he, and means male. Bave we chidike karidike karidike. So you see I'm just using the ka in the end because bave we still means he, her father, his father. This is still he. So it is not confusing actually, right? It doesn't confuse anything. Okay, bave we bave so bave we want to say bave me chikaridike. Okay, us. This means us. What is our father's? Our father's job. And let's continue to other one. I will simply copy this. As you see, what I will put ch. So this one is for hun, which means you, and this will be we. What is your? This is plural one, and bave one chikaridike. Or wana chikaridika. Bave one. Okay, one chikaridike. I wrote one, but it is one. Bave one chikaridike. Bave one chikaridike. Bave we chikaridike. I forgot che in here. Che is not important, so that is the thing. It means what is their father's job? What is your father's job? What is our father's job? What is her father's job? What is my father's job? What is your father's job? This is singular. Okay. As and as yarım. I am an engineer. Okay, I will not write for all of them now. You can simply imagine how is it. You see as and as yarım. And as yar, as and as yarım. To and as yari. Okay, let's write for to and as yare, to and as yare, ev endezyare, endezyare, ev endezyare. I will simply copy this and I will change something. Okay, I will change little thing. Okay, ez endezyarım, tu ev derze, ev endezyare, em endezyar, endezyarın, em endezyarın. So you see, em endezyarın. So hun endezyarın, ev endezyarın. So you see, simply this "ın" still makes this plural. Okay, makes it like too many people are and the engineer, and this isn't the engineer. So what is in the engineer? It is engineer, and the ziar is in the engineer. Mamoste is teacher, so this is simply same. Mamoste, and daikawi shawarmande. Okay, daikawi shawarmande. Daikawi, his mother. Daikawi, you see in here is for him, his mother. When you say his mother, you say daikawi shawarmande. Okay, as shavanam, it means I am the shepherd. So you can even, like the same rule I told you before, you can simply just implement all this. Okay, ev gevaniye, she is housewife. Okay, also in the previous video I was talk about this. I was talk about Gewani and Bermali. I was talk about Bermali actually. Bermal. I told there was a name in Kurdish which is called Bermal, and Bermali means the person who is staying at home. So this is also kind of Gewani. It's also Gewani. And in that time I talk about someone else. If you are watching the video and if you are enough careful, it has connection with this. The person who married with Shavan, what was her name? You can write in the description below, so you understand the question. In the video I was talking about Bermali, and there is opposite another name in Kurdish which married to Shavan. It is wife of Shavan, and what is her name? How do we call it in Kurdish? This is the question. Okay, jmeriyar muhasebevan neviskari hesaban. So jmer means count. Jmeriyar, the person who count, which means accountant. Muhasebevan, which is muhasebevan, and neviskar means writer. Hesaban, hesab is count, accountant actually, account, writer of account. So it's still about accountant. Okay, I will read again. Jmeriyar muhasebevan neviskari hesaban. Nanpesh Fernevan, baker. Nanpesh Fernevan, baker. Porber Sertash Kurker, barber. Porber Sertash Kurker, which is barber. It in here, porber means cutting. Por is hair. Ber is brin is cutting something. Brin. For example, you say man daste kha bri. Man daste kha oops. Daste kha bri. Bri. Man daste kha bri. You mean I cut my hand. Okay, man daste kha bri. I cut my hand. So, and that's it. What I want to say is bri, about bri. Also, there is something else we use bri branden for. This is brin. This is generally when we cut hair of sheep, and generally after 15th May we start to cut their hair. because of the weather start to become hot, and we cut them. I might put some pictures, or I might put some videos in description below. If I put, I will be telling about this. And that's this. So this is barbar, sartash, kurker, porberis, berber, barber. Okay, barman. Wow, this is nice word, barman. Meiger. So may means wine. Meiger, the person who bring wine. You can think like that, meiger. And this is barman. Badeger, meyhanevan. But the most important one, and I think you will use this one, you will never forget this one. This is saqi. Saqi. Okay, saqi is the actual one, I think. Why it is important? Because there is a song about this. Not song actually, a poem, I think, a story we can say. There is a someone called Saqi, and it says, fill me the wine, and it started to talk about situation of Kurds. For example, it says, if we had a king, we wouldn't be in this situation. So it is also saying in another way, and it says what it says. It says actually Kurds are not ignorant, but they are without honor, the person who have nothing. So it was really great, and I recommend you to watch that. Who watches it, I will definitely put the video to description below. Even I think I did some translation of this to English. If I did, I will put it also, and also I will put the original one. So if you want to listen, Najat Svengi, you simply type this on there, and you just simply type Saqi. That's okay, you will see everything. Najat Svengi Saqi, simply write this on the YouTube, you will see it, and you will never forget Saqi. I am sure of this. After you listen that with nice voice, you will never forget Saqi also. That's why Saqi is my word for this, for barman. Okay, avakar. Avakran means making something. Avakran. Avakran means something, and avakar is the person who is making something. That's why it is builder. Okay. So butcher is serjekar or qasab. Qasab. So serjekar means head cut. So why do you think it is like this? It is like this because who will be qasab? The person who have meat of sheep, cow, or hen, right? And as you know, in Islam, if you didn't cut something from their head, you cannot eat. That's why it is serjekar also. Serjekar. That might be the reason it's serjekar. And let's continue. Dartash, dartrash, carpenter. Dartash, dartrash. Here we go, continue. Khaznedar, cashier. Khaznedar, cashier. Khizmetkar, chambermaid is, I think, the special kind of maid, but we will still say khizmetkar. Chef, aşpez. Chef is chef also. Is chef or chef? Okay, it is chef. How do you read this? Chef. Okay, this is chef. And paqashkar, cleaner. Paqash means clean, kar, paqashkar. So generally, if they put something behind the end of the word, it means it is converting this to a person. Paqashkar means cleaner. And here we have the dansaz, bjishke dranan. So in here, dentist, you wouldn't forget dranan if you talk about dranan, because dran means teeth, tooth, and dranan is tooth, a lot of tooth. So tooth, and pazishk means doctor, doctor of doctor of teeth. What else is doctor? Pazishk, nojdar. Hakim, Luqman also means doctor. And kare bavan, electric van is electrician. And agirkosh, fireman, agirkosh. Masifrosh, fishmonger, Masifrosh, fishmonger. Hostess, flight attendant. Hostess. Coiffeur, berbera jinan. Porsaza, jinan. It's hairdresser. Yeah. And dadgir, hakim, judge. Dadgir. And dadnas. By the way, dadgir, we say it is judge, hakim. Also dadgeh means judgment. Is the place that is they judge. Do we call that judgment or court? Actually, court. Yeah, it will be court. Dadgeh is court. Okay, dadgeh is the place. Dadgeh. So the geh became place. Dadgeh. Okay. Dadnas, parizer, avukat, mehami. Avukat, parizer, mehami. Dadnas means lawyer. We had in another previous video parizer, which meant lawyer. There was a story. Perestgar, hemshire, nurse. Perestgar or hemshire, both mean nurse. Berchavgan, durbinvan, optician. So berchavgan means ber in front or front of something or next to something. Chav, eyes, berchavgan. So from here you can get optician. Or durbinvan. So durbinvan is actually dur means far, bin means bring, and durbinvan the thing or the something that bring this. So durbinvan. Also there is something that army they use in army when they want to see far away from places. I could put his picture, it could be nice, but if it's okay if you forgot. Nigarvan, Nigarsaz, Rassam, Boyakar. So this is painter. And Wienager, Wienakash, Wienager, which is photographer. This is same thing. Okay, you will not forget this because this is a Wiene. And you see what we have in here? We have Wiene. And generally I am showing pictures in here. This is Wiene. And continue. Berat, Asenkut, Zrach Frosh, Plumber. You see he is fixing this. So Berat, Asenkut, Zrach Frosh. And police, really, do I have to say that? Halger Hamal, porter. So this is Hamal. Okay, continue. Carmen de recepcione. Reception means reception. And Carmen, the person who works there, will be receptionist. Carmen with the person, the worker. Sikhur, salogder, mukhbir, altagh. So those means reporter actually, reporter. Dezgedar, sales assistance. Dezgedar, sales assistance. And Nunari Frotani, sales representative. Nunari Frotani. Zanestvan, Zanestyar, scientist. And secretary will be secretary. Brinsaz, Jarrah, Neshter Gervan, Neshter Dar, Neshter Kar, Brinkar, Brimbaz, Nejda. All of them means surgeon. Continue. Khayat, Jildru, Druvan, Druar, Drunkar, Terzi means tailor. Khayat, Jildru, Druvan, Druar, Drunkar, Terzi. Mamusde is teacher, probably you know it. Pespor, technician, veteriner, beytar vet, so garson, waiter, garson, lehimger, welder, lehimger, welder, asker, supa, serbaz, soldier, and serok, serokumar, serok devlet, president, and here we go, presidents. And thank you so much to listen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and that's it for this video as well. It is 35 minutes.